Hi everybody, I'm Flora from Bioslimming for Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you the supply that you need to do the Bioslimming Active Wrap. It's really simple, you don't need a huge budget, and of course you don't need a shower at your spa. So let's get started with what you need. Of course you're going to need your Bioslimming Active Wrap products, Saran Wrap, glass cups. I use those, they're measuring cups. We're going to use glove and mask with everything going on. I have those. They are disposable panties and bras. I love those because they are individually wrapped. So I think it makes a difference when you walk into a room and you have those ready on the bed for you. You can think about those. I'm going to use 2 small towels, sometimes 3, but I think 2 will be enough. 2 large towels. You can see I put them on the bed already. I'm gonna use, you can use your client measurement card. You don't have to take measurements. You can also take pictures. What else I need? I use sometimes a thermal blanket, so when I travel, it's easy to carry with me. You can use a heated blanket. What else? Yes, so you're gonna need your arpago gel and oil if you want to do the warm-up method, which I recommend, unless you want to be freezing cold at the end. Anyway, so we come up with this. This is new, this is all natural, it's a wrap neck, and some spa were doing that. So we decided to do our own and make sure it was super soft, super comfy, natural, cozy. It comes with a cover, 100% linen. So this is pretty cool. And I cannot wait to show you that. What else? So we come up with a few accessories, but that's it. I think that's it. So let's get started. Ready?